Welcome to ExTravelMoney.com, your trusted solution for sending money from India to the UK. First, choose UK as the country to send money to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Select your purpose from our drop-down list and click Get Rates. Then, input your location. We'll show you the banks and RBI-authorized exchange houses in your city. Compare their rates and select the best option. Next, we present the transaction summary. Here you can review all charges. Choose the preferred payment method and place your order. Once order is placed, our team will connect with you to verify KYC and process the money transfer. Finally, you transfer your funds to the chosen bank or exchange house. They'll transfer it to the recipient in the UK. ExTravelMoney.com, making international money transfers easy, secure, and affordable. Try us.